How to play with friends in the game Asphalt 9. The first thing you will have to do is to click this arrow here. It can be on the right side, but in mine it's on the left side. Click here and click Join Club. You can also create a club if you want. In this screen, you and your friend has to click in Mark Clubs here. Now you have to find an unlocked club to join. This one is with this lock, but you have to choose one that is not full. So let's see if I can find some here. This club right here has 2 spots, so I can join with my friend. So I will click in this club and tell the name of this club to your friend so he can type here and click search so he can join the same club. Click here, click join this club, click OK. Then you can enter in your club by the same arrow, click access club. Now you click here in club erase your friend too. Tell your friend to wait here in this screen and keep refreshing. You will have to create the room, so click create, click the city and the laps, then click create. Now choose your car, click create again. Now you just have to wait your friend join your room and then click launch.